questions were remaining, so we have completed here. You just go through the answers and write in your copy. So question number 3, 7 question. Question number 7 is there. Why did engineers and architects show them? What did engineers and architects show them? So engineers and architects showed them some special designs for houses which were earthquake resistant. So what was the answer? They have shown them the designs for the houses which were actually not affected by the earthquake and they are earthquake resistant. Now the next question 8, question number 8 is given here. Why did the villagers think that they would build their own houses? What was the reason behind it? Because they thought if they will make their house, it will not like the old houses and their houses will and their village will not look like the same old village. So they thought that they will help these people and they will make the village, they will rebuild the village with the help of these people. So the answer is there. Villagers thought if these people build houses, then the village will not look like the same old village. So they thought they would build their houses with their help. And now question number 4 is there. What an earthquake occurs, what should one follow? So when an earthquake occurs, that time we have to follow few rules. What we have to follow? First, keep calm and reassure others. Move to an open space. Indoor, who are in the indoor, take cover under the table, desk, bed or doorway and against inside the wall, because walls can fall on the person. So it will be better to keep yourself away from the wall which is near to you or which is inside. Okay, so you have to move in the open space. Now try to away from the glass door, pan, window or outside door. And you have to better to move in an open space, but if you are inside the house, you are being caught, then you have to make yourself and you have to just give shelter yourself under any heavy object. So if anything, if the wall will fall on it, it will support you inside and that will not harm you. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 5. How are people affected in earthquake help? So the people extend a helping hand after the earthquake. Many organizations and people from other cities donated food, clothes and medicines to help the affected people. And this way they are being helped. And the last question is given here. We will see that the last question is here. How are the Bhuj affected in the earthquake on 26th January? So it will be, I will write the answer. The answer number 6. How the people of the Bhuj, they are being affected on 26th January. So write the answer on 26, answer 6. On 26th January. On 26 January 2001, on 26 January 2001, an earthquake affected earthquake affected the Kutch area, the Kutch area of Gujarat. And several buildings got demolished in this natural calamity in this natural calamity, several buildings got demolished. Several buildings got demolished and a lot of life and property and a lot of lives and property, lot of lives and properties were affected. Okay, so this is the last answer. On 26 January 2001, earthquake affected the Kutch area of Gujarat. In Kutch area of Gujarat, in this natural calamity, several buildings got demolished and a lot of lives and properties were affected. And the question 4, as I have written here, keep calm and reserve. Other move to an open space. Indoor takes cover under table, desk, bed or doorway and against inside wall. Try to away from the glass door, window and pan. Question answer number 5. People extend a helping hand after the earthquake. Many organizations and people from other cities donated food, clothes and medicine to help the affected people. So here we have completing when the earth shook, and the last answer where it is written explain the term. So you will do it. Question number 7 is your homework. Okay, and I will discuss with you in my next class. Question 7. Question 7 is your homework. Okay, and that's all for the chapter. On my next class we will start the new chapter. Thank you.